Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft OneDrive API to an Android app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft OneDrive API to an Android app, start by creating an Azure application. Navigate to the Azure portal and sign in with your Microsoft account. In the Azure portal, select Azure Active Directory in the left sidebar. Under App Registrations, click on New Registration. Provide a name for your application and set the redirect URI to your app's URL. Choose the appropriate account types that can use the application. Click Register to create your application. Once registered, take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, under Certificates and Secrets, create a new client secret. Make sure to copy this secret and store it securely, as it will be needed later. Now, you'll need to set permissions for your application. Under API Permissions, click Add a Permission. Select Microsoft Graph and then choose Delegated Permissions. Add permissions such as files read and files.readWrite based on your needs. After adding permissions, make sure to grant admin consent for your application. Next, you will need to integrate the OneDrive SDK in your Android project. Open your project's build.gradle file and add the necessary dependencies for the OneDrive SDK. Sync your project to download the SDK files. Now, you need to authenticate users in your Android app using the Microsoft Authentication Library. Initialize the MSAL library in your project by creating a public client application instance. Set up a sign-in method to allow users to log in with their Microsoft account. Handle the authentication response to obtain an access token. Once authenticated, use the access token to make requests to the OneDrive API. Utilize your access token to perform actions like uploading or retrieving files from OneDrive. Construct your HTTP requests using libraries like Retrofit or OKHTTP as needed. Finally, test your app to ensure that it correctly interacts with the OneDrive API. Check for any errors in both authentication and API requests to ensure smooth functionality. With everything in place, your Android app should successfully connect to Microsoft OneDrive. This allows you to leverage OneDrive's capabilities directly within your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.